Welcome back to Late Math. Right now we're going to graph linear equations. So with our linear equation, we've got y equals a fraction x plus 2. This fraction here is our slope, and this number by itself is our y-intercept. So the first thing we're going to do is put a dot on the y-axis at plus 2, because that's our y-intercept. We do that first. After that, from this point, the top tells me how much up and the bottom tells me how much over. So I'm going to go up 3 and over 4. So on my graph, my y-intercept is 2. So I'm going to put a dot right there where the 2 is. I'm going to go up 3. I'm going to go over 4 and put a dot. And now I just connect the dots. You can use a ruler if you really like it to be pretty. And you're done. It's really pretty easy to graph it. Now I've got some negatives. So I'm going to go to -2 on the y-axis. Remember, this is your x, this is your y. So I'll go to -2. And this negative means I'm going to go down 1 and over 2. So down 1, over 2, and then connect my dots. And that's my line. They usually throw this one on there, y equals x. Your slope is right there and there's nothing there. Since there's nothing there, that means there's an invisible 1. But a 1 still doesn't look like a fraction, and I told you slope was a fraction. Now I could rewrite 1 as 1 over 1. So now it looks like a fraction. And then right here, I don't have a y-intercept. Since there's nothing there, that one's a 0. So if there's nothing there and you're multiplying, it's a 1. If there's nothing there and you're adding, it's a 0. So I'm going to put a dot right here where y is 0. And then I go up 1 over 1. And it's just a line like that. Alright, that should get you started.